All right, Keith, we get a little calm before the storm.
Yeah, it was, weekend was pretty good, right? What did you think of did you find any fallness to it at all?
Yeah, even today, I think
Did
there
you?
was
Yeah.
a little bit, like with the breeze,
Yeah.
the coastal breeze,
Right.
it felt a little bit cool.
As soon as you get away from the sun, I think.
Yeah.
It was comfortable. I think that's a good word. It was
Yeah.
very comfortable.
Today was good. We got to 80. I was noticing that, so we reach our average high of 80. That's the warmest it gets all season. Now we're back down to 79, which means we've reached the crest, top of the summer peak.
Wow.
Statistically, at least. Doesn't mean it can't be hot after this, for sure. But we got to 80 in Portland, so that puts it as above average day. 86 in Bangor, warm there. Visible satellite was a little convective looking. You look at this satellite, and I'd say these are largely just fair weather cumulus clouds, but the reality is when we overlay the radar that they're producing showers. So I don't know how heavy these are. I'd love to hear from people that got hit by one of these. It looks like it's a very quick downpour, and then their showers are moving out, and they're staying away from the coastline. So you can even notice in the last couple of frames that these are kind of losing their intensity. So I don't think this will be a long-lived thing. That being said, it's been under-modeled, because if you look at the models right now, they have almost nothing. So a few more hours and those showers will be gone, and then clouds will come in from the southeast. This is actually our storm system we've been watching for a while now, and there have been wild swings in the computer models over the weekend. At one point, it looked like we weren't going to get any rain, and this storm was going to stay offshore. Now it looks like we will get rain. The question is how much and where. So when we start out cloudy tomorrow morning, rain bands start to move in. I think this is probably underdone in the coverage and intensity of rain. I think there'll be more rain around than this. We stay in the 60s. It's breezy but not windy, so we stay under 30 miles an hour. Rain continues off and on through Wednesday night, even the first half of Thursday. And it's really, I don't think, until Thursday afternoon that we start to open up some holes, get a little bit of sunshine in here, and start drying out. So this is a coastal storm. It is technically a nor'easter, but I feel like people think about snow or heavy winds when you say nor'easter. So this to me is more of a coastal low that comes on shore, spins around a little bit, then gets out of here in time for the weekend, which actually looks really good. So the question is, how much rain? The European model has a very clear zone of 1.5 inches plus along the coastline, and then tapering away as you get farther from the coast. The GFS has a slightly different idea in which it's really just concentrated over the mid-coast and southern coastal Maine, and it leaves down East Maine out of this. So frankly, I don't think we're going to know exactly until the rain starts falling, because it's just going to come down to banding. I think 1 inch plus is a good bet for a lot of us. Who will get 2? That will come down to where those bands end up setting up. We clear out fast on Friday, which looks nice, very similar to today, minus any showers. Nice on Saturday too, and Sunday. Sunday could be a little bit hotter there along the coastline that I'm alluding to. It could be mid to upper 80s, but we'll keep an eye on it. There's a little fog bank that's dangerously close there Sunday morning, so we'll keep an eye on that. Isolated showers Monday, Tuesday. Guys, again, rain, yes. Enough in the right places? I'm not sure. I mean, this is much like snowfall forecast where where's the band set up, where doesn't it, and so we'll just have to see.
Yeah. At this point, though, any amount.
Yes.
Any amount.
This will be a rainiest day we've had in a while, so that we can say.
That's good.
Thanks, Keith.